You slept 8 hours last night, maybe even 9. Your fitness tracker confirmed it. Your alarm went off right on schedule, but when you opened your eyes this morning, something felt wrong. You're exhausted. Your body feels like it weighs 1,000 pounds. Your brain feels foggy, slow, broken. You drag yourself out of bed, look in the mirror, and think, why do I feel worse than when I went to sleep? So you reach for coffee, then more coffee, hoping the caffeine will wake up your brain, but by afternoon you're struggling to focus. Simple tasks feel impossible. Your mind wanders constantly, and here's what terrifies most people. This isn't just a bad night. This is every single morning. You're getting the hours. You're doing everything right, but your brain refuses to feel rested. Most people think this is normal aging or just stress, but neuroscience reveals something far more serious. Your brain isn't getting the deep sleep it desperately needs to survive. Here's what's really happening inside your brain. Sleep has stages, and only one stage actually heals your brain: deep sleep. During deep sleep, your brain activates something called the glymphatic system. This is your brain's waste removal system. It flushes out toxic proteins that build up during the day. It repairs damaged neural connections. It restores your memory centers. But here's the problem. Stress keeps your brain stuck in survival mode. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. And cortisol is supposed to wake you up, not help you sleep. So even though your eyes are closed for 8 hours, your brain never fully shuts down. You spend the whole night in light sleep, never reaching the deep restorative stages your brain needs. Without deep sleep, the toxic waste doesn't get cleared. The damage doesn't get repaired. Night after night, the buildup gets worse. This is why you wake up with brain fog. Why you can't remember simple things. Why you feel emotionally drained. Your brain is literally drowning in its own waste because it can't access the deep sleep that cleans it out. And the worst part? This creates a vicious cycle. Poor sleep increases stress. More stress destroys sleep quality. And your brain slowly deteriorates. But here's the truth that changes everything. This is completely reversible. Your brain can heal. But you have to give it the conditions it needs. The most powerful tool: activating your parasympathetic nervous system before bed. Start 2 hours before sleep. Dim the lights. Turn off screens. Signal to your brain that the day is ending. 1 hour before bed, practice slow breathing. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. This isn't relaxation advice. This is a biological command that lowers cortisol and activates your rest and repair system. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Cool temperature, complete darkness, zero noise. Your brain needs to feel completely safe to enter deep sleep. Do this consistently for 7 days. Just 7 days, and watch what happens. You'll start reaching deep sleep stages again. Your glymphatic system will activate. The toxic buildup will clear. You'll wake up with mental clarity you forgot existed. Energy that feels natural, not forced by caffeine. Your memory will sharpen. Your emotions will stabilize. You'll feel like yourself again, because your brain isn't broken. It's been stuck in survival mode, unable to access the deep healing sleep it desperately needs. Give it safety. Give it consistency. Give it the biological signals that it's okay to rest, and your brain will do what it was designed to do: heal itself while you sleep. Start tonight. Your brain has been waiting for permission to recover.